Hi, let's break down psychology concepts and nursing concepts. My name is Ryan, and I'm going to help you to understand complex information that will set you up for success as you finish your nursing journey or even your course in psychology. Quick background, I'm a nurse, and also I finished Masters of Science in Psychology back in the Philippines, as well as Masters of Arts in Nursing, but my major is medical surgical on my second master's. Okay, let's talk about cognitive behavioral therapy or yung tinatawag nilang CBT. So, CBT is actually pioneered by Aaron Beck, but ngayon yata, ang alam ko, si Judith Beck na. Yung anak niya na yung nagmamanage ng Beck Institute. So, saan ginagamit kalimitan ang cognitive behavioral therapy? So, malaki ang sakop ng cognitive behavioral therapy when it comes to application as mode of treatment, anxiety, PTSD, depression, even some mental health disorders including ADHD, ginagamitan na din siya. Even postpartum depression. So, kasi cognitive behavioral therapy is kind of straightforward therapy that addresses unhelpful or irrational thought patterns. Excuse me. So, meron tinatawag na three elements sa cognitive behavioral therapy. Unang concept ay emotion, feelings, and behavior. But then, merong tinatawag na antecedent or situation bago ka magkaroon ng negative thought pattern or irrational thoughts. Let's give you an example. So, isang example nito ay nag-set kayo ng lunch date ng friend mo or ng kaibigan mo. But then, he or she needs to cancel the date at the last minute. Pwedeng ang maging thought mo sa ganong situation ay hindi niya ako gustong makita. So, ano yung magiging emotion mo dyan? Sadness. Depende, pwedeng mairita ka. Ano yung... Pwede kasing madugtungan siya ng additional automatic thoughts or dumugtong pa yung another emotion, or pwedeng it can lead to a behavior like masisira na yung araw mo nun. Mumukmo ka na lang sa kwarto, hindi ka nalalabas, and at some point sa mga ganyang situation, another thought will resurface na mag-isa lang ako, ano yung magiging emotion, loneliness, di ba? Feeling of loneliness. And then magdudugtong-dugtong siya. Kaya maganda ang cognitive behavioral therapy na psychotherapy for clinical depression kasi it will train an individual to be aware of their thought patterns, especially yung negative automatic thought patterns. And that is the right or ideal moment to challenge those thoughts. For example, kung isang beses lang naman pala kinancel yung date, dito nangyayari ng paulit-ulit, pwedeng dun mo yun i-frame. Ano yung mga evidences mo na ayaw kanya makita? Hindi ka ba lagi niyang niyaya sa mga event? Hindi ba siya nag-FaceTime? Or hindi ba siya gumagawa ng ibang way para makita ka talaga? It's kind of tricky din i-manage yung mga negative thoughts kasi those are survival instincts natin to protect us from any danger or even yung feeling of hindi ka belong or yung belongingness. Ayan. I have 5 minutes already. I hope we shed some light dun sa cognitive behavioral therapy. And watch out for more videos to come. Bye!